Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to see suggested profiles on VSCO. So, first of all, you want to open the VSCO app, so just click on the VSCO icon on your screen. Then you want to go to this two lines in the top left corner. It doesn't depend in which tab you are at that time, so you can be in whatever tab you want. Just click on these two lines right here, and then you want to go to this people section. And now, as you can see, you have suggested profiles on VSCO. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!